Hello again, this is Troy Harris and welcome to another edition of Rookie TV. I'm standing here at the rear of a site that is nearing completion now in Canadian, which is in Ballarat in Victoria. Just right down the back where you've been here previously, we've got an existing house at the front and 2x2 bedders, 2x3 bedders all in a row here. As you can see externally they're just about complete. We've got some driveway to go down. Fencing on the side. We'll just work our way up a bit further. You can see up the front house up there, we've got the neighbours working away, putting their gate up. One of the parts of this was a bit of negotiation with the neighbours regarding fencing and so forth. It's always very important to be a good negotiator, not just buying and selling, but also with the neighbours. As for developments, there's always something you need to discuss with the neighbours. So I can't get in at the moment, I don't have a key, but we'll go and see if there's a window we can have a bit of a sticky beak in, and we can have a look at the drainage along the way. Okay, here we are about halfway up the site between units 3 and 5, and as we move along here there's a bit of a gap between the two. Not only do we have a carport going in there, but this is actually where the sewer runs through the site from across there down through here, so it basically dissects right through the middle of the site, which can be an inconvenience and sometimes can cost you getting a unit on the site, but in this case it didn't work out too badly for us. We managed to design it so that we could use that through the private open space of unit 3 here, and we don't actually lose any building space, which is quite a good result. A little bit further up you can see where the drain is going to go through the middle of the driveway when the drive goes down, and a little bit further up you can see some pits. That's all part of the stormwater retention system. You can see another couple of pits there if I can zoom in amongst the rubble, and with the legal point of discharge going out the back. Now, although there's only a slight slope to this site, to be able to get these last 3 all on a fairly level keel, we've actually had to dig out around here, move some soil down the back, and that's why you can see the retaining walls. There'll be a carport that'll go in there. It's a bit of a turning circle. As you can see, the driveway here, not too attractive at the moment. Once the driveway's in, the landscaping's in, it'll look a whole lot more attractive. And just starting to rain now, so I might get out of the way. Okay, here I am out the front, and we've got the existing house here, which as you can see is for sale. Been on the market for a little while, haven't got someone to come quite up to the right price just yet, but we really do have until completion about the rear before we need to sell it. It's obviously a distraction for any buyers with the works that's going on at the back, plus the carport that we're creating for it isn't in yet, nor the driveway, so not all that attractive. And just here is the electrical meters, power board, and we'll also need a 5 letterboxes. What else we got here? That is a fire plug, which was a requirement from the CFA because of the depth of the driveway. The requirements are need to be within 60 metres of the. They need to be able to get a tanker within 60 metres, and then from the tanker another 60 metres maximum to the nearest fire plug for their fire requirements. So with the nearest one being down the road a bit, we had to put a new fire plug in. Anyway, that's about all I've got for the moment. Next time here, hopefully I'll be able to get through and show you through the inside of the units, but until then, make sure you're developing simply, safely and successfully. Bye for now.